TCN Vending Machine Factory. Dozens of automated systems, hundreds of controlled processes, powering global retail with intelligent solutions. Serving 200+ countries, 1 billion users yearly, backed by a professional after-sales team, certified with multiple authoritative qualifications, always-on intelligence, cloud-powered SaaS platform, real-time remote management, data analytics and AI-driven replenishment. Choosing a TCN vending machine means more than just choosing a machine. It's choosing a one-stop global partner for R&D, manufacturing, logistics, and after-sales service. TCN Smart Manufacturing, empowering smarter retail everywhere.